Robot revolution in farming. TRIC Robotics raises $5.5 million to eliminate pesticides with UV tech. TRIC Robotics has just raised $5.5 million in seed funding to tackle one of farming's biggest challenges, pest and disease control, without relying on harmful chemicals. Their solution, an autonomous robot named Luna that uses ultraviolet light to fight off plant disease and vacuum tech to remove insects, all without pesticides. Think of it as modern farming's clean, high-tech helper. The company is starting with strawberries, a notorious pesticide-heavy and labour-intensive crop, and has already deployed robots across hundreds of acres in California, Central Coast, reducing chemicals used up to 70%. This new funding, led by Version 1 Ventures and others, will help TRIC grow its fleet, expand to more farming regions like Oxnard and Watsonville, and further enhance its automation and analytics capabilities. CEO Adam Stager puts it best, we're helping farmers grow more with less without damaging the planet. And honestly, that's a mission worth rooting for. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.